Which is your favorite? Which one you like the best, huh? This one? Blue one? You like blue, huh? Okay. Blue. Blue.
No.
No.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Hard.
Let me in, he says.
Can you open that? Then we go in. You got a car in there? Huh?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah?
Open it up.
Open it. Shall we put the red one in?
No.
No. The blue one?
No.
Green one?
No.
No.
Who's in there?
What? Go around like that.
And no.
Highway.
Hmm?
Huh? Ooh.
Did you fall over?
You fall over. Ooh. Oh, big boy. Oh. Guard you fall on those knobs, they hurt.
Hmm?
Those there, if you fall on them, hurt you. Yeah, those knobs will hurt you.